Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you have a pickup truck looking for some major upgrades? Let me show you this wheel locking hub kit. So this kit is from Yukon Gear and Axle. We were looking to replace the failure prone unit bearings on our truck, and this Yukon kit is a system that is stronger, it lasts longer, and increases gas mileage. So this kit is very complete. It comes with literally everything you need to convert from unit bearings to traditional wheel bearings with locking hubs. So this setup allows you to pull the bearings out easily, to be able to service them, and it's also less expensive to replace these parts than unit bearings. So this kit gives you the ability to lock and unlock your hubs, which can reduce wear and tear and lengthen the life of your drive shaft components. So the install was fairly straightforward. The instructions were really complete, and we are just really happy with the way that this project turned out. It's a super durable, high quality kit, definitely built to withstand heavy usage for many years to come. So we are really pleased with the functionality of this kit and the ability to quickly lock and unlock with this simple switch on the hubs. So I would definitely check out this kit, and that's my point of view.